Welcome to your very own Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I, Chef Pal, today will be showing you a basic Chana Dal recipe. So I've taken 3/4 cup of Chana Dal, soaked it in enough hot water for 1 hour and drained it well. To this I'm going to be adding some turmeric powder to give a nice yellow color and some water. I'm going to mix this well. Close it with a lid and pressure cook this for 5 whistles. So it's been 5 whistles and our cooker has also cooled down. Let's check. Yes, the dal has been cooked well. Now we'll use a whisk and whisk it. When the dal is hot, make sure you whisk it that time, as it will be easier to whisk. It will not be completely smooth, you will have a little mouthfeel, and that is what we need. Yes, so now let's proceed in making the dal. So now to make the dal, we'll take a deep non-stick pan, add some oil. We'll allow this to heat up a little. Now the oil is nice and hot. To this we'll add some cumin seeds, a little hing, finely chopped garlic, lots of it, ginger and green chillies. And we'll saute this on a medium flame for 1 to 2 minutes. To this we'll add some onions. We'll saute this on a medium flame for 2 minutes. To this we'll add some tomatoes, chilli powder, coriander powder, garam masala, amchur or dried mango powder and 2 tablespoons of water. We'll mix this well and we'll cook it on a medium flame for 3 minutes. And make sure you stir it occasionally. See, you can see the tomatoes are getting quite soft. Yes, so they have been cooked well. To this we'll add kasuri methi, also known as dried fenugreek leaves, salt, a whisked dal. We'll mix it well and cook on a medium flame for 3 minutes while stirring occasionally. So our dal is ready, as you can see. To this we'll add some finely chopped coriander and we will mix it well. So our basic Chana Dal recipe is ready. Let's quickly serve this.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.